So first of all, hello everyone, assalamu alaikum. Okay, this is this is our class of GK. Okay, as always, and what we're going to do today is that yesterday we started about the continent of North America. Okay, at the end of the class, do remind me. I have some question to ask you all, and if you all tell me, then I'll go with it. If not, then obviously I have to change my plans. Okay. So yesterday we talked about North America. North America is a continent. Okay, it is basically the third largest continent. North America is the third largest continent. Okay, I'm going to ask you a few things to see whether you remember or not. Okay, Fahad, how many countries are there in North America? Yes, yes, Shamir. How many countries are there in North America? Yes, take a guess. Hurry up.
20,
Yes,
26,
20. How many?
26.
23. Okay, exactly. There are 23 countries in North America. Okay, can anyone tell me the largest country of North America? Yes, Wafa. Can you tell me the
Teacher
largest country?
no, they don't.
Okay, Aisha.
नो
Tell me the.
टीचर टीचर कल हमारे लाइट गई हुई थी तो इसलिए कल मैं क्लास ज्वाइन नहीं कर सकी थी आप वापस बता
Wafa,
देंगे
don't worry, beta. Just look at the lectures. Okay, they're available on YouTube. Okay, Aisha.
Canada.
Canada. Okay,
Canada.
the largest country of North America is Canada. Okay, I'm going to give you a little recap. Okay, and then what we are going to do is that we are going to have a review of Asia, Africa, and North America because we will have a quiz tomorrow. Okay, and there's a question that I will ask you, and that depends on you know what you answer me. So first of all, we will start with North America, okay, and then I will give you a conclusion on Asia and Africa as well, okay. We will have some questions. I will ask you some questions, and automatically, you will revise your topic, okay. This is the very easiest way, okay. So there are 23 countries total in North America continent, okay. I told you about the population of North America that there are 590 million people live in North America, okay. This is just some information for you, okay. Automatically I will not ask you to tell me the population of North America or the population of South America, okay. These are the types of questions that automatically you have to remember, okay. So I will not go in depth about these questions. Then I told you that if you go in North America, okay, like for example the largest countries are Canada, USA, Mexico, okay. I already told you those. So what happens is that when you go there, you will see that most of the people, okay, I use the word majority. Okay, I already told you what is the word majority means. It means when most of the people do it. Okay, like for example, I can say that majority in air 5, okay, got very good marks in their first quiz. Okay, so what does it mean? That most of you got 8 out of 10 or 9 out of 10, and that is very good. Okay, but if you automatically got 7 and 6 as well. So this is what we use the word majority for. Okay. So what you're saying is that in North America, the majority of the population has a religion of Christianity. Okay. What the people are there? They're Christians. Okay. So 80% of population over there is Christians. It means that every 6 out of 10 person that you will meet there is automatically going to be a Christian. Okay. So now let's move on. Then I told you that Canada is the largest country found in North America. Okay. How do you know that Canada is the largest country in North America? I show you the map of North America. Okay. By looking at the map of North America, you can all see that Canada is it has the most land on the map. So automatically it is the largest country of North America. Okay. Are we clear? Okay. Now, then we talked about the largest city that is found in North America, and the largest city in North America is Mexico. Okay. Fortunately, Mexico is also the richest city uh, found in North America. Okay. Mexico is one of the richest cities. Okay. Why? Because people there are very rich. All kind of businesses, all kind of great, industries are found in Mexico. So automatically, the people there are very rich. Okay, and Mexico alone has a population of 9 million. Okay, we talked about that there are 590 million population, and 9 million or only live in Mexico. Okay, so it is a very large city that is found in North America. Then we talk about the largest river that is found in North America, and it was Missouri River. Okay, which is the river that is found in North America? Missouri River. Okay, and then last point we talk about is that what is the highest peak? If someone asks you that which is the highest mountain that is found in North America, then you are going to say Alaska, which is Denali, which is found in USA. Okay, what is the highest mountain that is found? It is Denali, Denali. Okay, and what is saying is that this mountain is considered as one of the world's toughest mountain. Okay, top three mountains that are difficult to climb, top three mountains which are very difficult, which are isolated, which no people do not visit. So it Denali is one of those mountains. Okay, up till now, if you are clear about North America, if you do not want any kind of more recap on North America, then just give me a thumbs up video, and then I will ask you a few questions. Yes, Aurelia, are we clear? Okay, I can see that only 1, 2, 3 have showed me their thumbs up. So that means most of you are having problems. No? Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so I'm going to ask you a few questions now. I hope you all answer me. Yes, Parva. First question. I'm going to ask you the first question. Yes. Parva, which is the richest city in North America?
Teacher again.
Can you tell me the richest city in North America?
Mexico.
Mexico. Okay, Mexico is the largest and the richest city that is found in North America. Excellent, Parva. Okay, now Omar, can you tell me why you are late in the class?
Miss, वो sorry, वो खाना खा रहा था.
Okay, no problem. There is a recap. Okay, just kindly go through it, Omar, because you have missed, I think, 2 to 3 points. Okay, so make sure you know them because tomorrow we will have a quiz. Okay. How about you, Aurelia? Can you tell me the largest city found in North America? Yes, Aurelia. Okay. I think there's a azan going on. Okay, over there, so I have to mute you for Aurelia. Please, kindly. Yes, Shamil. What is the largest city in North America?
Canada.
Largest city.
Mexico.
Mexico. Okay, these are the types of things that we make mistakes in quizzes. Okay, like for example, I ask you the largest city and you will answer me Canada. Okay, and this is the most this is how I'm going to manipulate you in your quizzes. Okay, and this is what I like to do. Okay, I like to twist and I like to make you think more. Okay, this is what I do in quizzes. Okay, but automatically I know all of you are going to do great. Now let's move on. Yes, Aisha, can you tell me the highest peak that is found in North America? Umar, kindly listen very carefully, beta. Yes,
Alaska.
Alaska. No, it is found in Alaska. What is the name of the peak? It is yes, Ali Ahmed. Don't worry, Aisha.
Daniel.
Okay, it is Denali. Denali.
Denali.
Okay, Denali is the highest peak that is found in North America. Okay, this was it for the topics that we are going to study today. From tomorrow, we are going to have a quiz. So kindly, you can all unmute yourself. Okay, and there's a question that I want to ask all of you. So I was, thinking of having a quiz of 20 marks. So are you all agreeing? Are you all agreeing with it? Should I go with a quiz of 10 marks or should I go with a quiz of 20 marks? Okay.
10 marks.
Yes.
Wait a second, I'm closing the 20 marks. 10.
Oh, okay.
10.
So just
20 marks.
Okay.
20 marks.
10.
20. 20.
Okay, Omar.
Yeah,
As always,
आप हंस क्यों रही हैं?
because You are looking very funny today. Okay, well, this was the homework. So, what does the word bald eagle means? Okay, Ali Ahmed, what does the word bald eagle means?
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, yes, Shamil, what does the word bald eagle means? Shamil, we cannot really hear you today. Kindly speak. Yes.
मतलब टीचर क्योंकि उसकी आंखें तेज होती हैं तो उसको जब भी गोल्ड ईगल का नाम
जिन,
है उसकी
जिनके
आंखें
आगे की क्या नहीं होते?
कि टीचर उनकी आंखें बहुत तेज होती है जब भी उनका नाम गोल्ड ईगल है.
Okay. I don't think this is the case. Yes, Amar. Why are they called bald eagle?
मिस सबसे पहले बॉल्ड
Yes,
मतलब गंजा.
exactly. The word bald means
आप ये भी तो देखिए
the
गंजा.
word bald means ganja hona. Okay, so a person or an animal which does not have any
गंदी
hair
जी.
on their head is called as a bald man or a bald animal. Okay, so this eagle is called bald. Okay, this eagle is especially found in North America. Why? Because you know the eagles over here have hairs on their head, but the eagles over there do not have hairs on their head. Okay, that is why they are called as bald eagle. Okay, so this was it for today's class. Okay, I hope you all learned about it. I'm going to ask, tell you a little recap that how many people live in Asia. Can anyone tell me? Yes, Ali Ahmed, do you have a question? Yes.
Teacher, there are 54.
मिस 4.9 मिस 4.90
48.
What is the population of Asia?
3 billion.
3?
Billion.
Yes, Ahmed. What's the
4
population?
billion.
Okay,
मिस
the
4 billion
population
है.
of Asia is 4 billion.
4.95.
Okay.
4.
No. It's 4 billion. Okay. I think it is 3
Miss
point
4.
something. 3.98
मिस
something.
4 है टोटल. मिस टोटल 4 है पूरे 4 है.
Exactly.
4 billion.
So that is why there used to be 3. Okay, Ali Ahmed, you are not wrong. When you were in grade 4, you must have read about that their population is 3 billion, but it is increasing. Okay, so over a year of time, I think it has gone from 3 point something to 4 billion. Okay, and it's increasing at a massive rate. Okay, so can someone tell me that? Okay. Okay, Aisha, I'm going to ask you a question. Can you tell me the largest city found in Asia? Largest country?
Russia.
Russia. Exactly. The largest country found in Asia is Russia. Okay. These were the small things that we talked about. Can someone tell me the name of the highest mountain in the world? Yes, Aurelia. Aurelia, can we tell you the highest mountain in the world?
K2.
K2? Okay, Aurelia, this is the new information for everyone. Okay, as automatically everyone knows that K2 is the second highest mountain in the world. Okay, yes, Farwa.
Teacher, the highest mountain peak is Mount Everest.
Exactly, the highest mountain in the world is Mount Everest. Okay, very good, Farwa. Yes, Fahad, can you tell me the highest mountain that is found in Africa? Yes, Fahad.
Yes, teacher.
The highest mountain that is found in Africa.
Highest mountain in Africa. Teacher, river भी तो है.
Yes, automatically there are river as well. But I'm talking about the highest mountain which is found in Africa. Okay, Ali Ahmed.
Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania.
Exactly, Mount Kilimanjaro is the highest mountain that is found in Africa. Then we talk about a freshwater lake. Yes, Shamir. Can you tell me?
Victoria.
Yes, Shamir.
Lake Victoria.
Okay, Lake Victoria. Do you think Lake Victoria is the highest, longest freshwater lake or the second longest freshwater lake?
Yeah, first.
Second.
Second.
Okay, Lake Victoria is the second largest freshwater lake. Okay, so this was a conclusion we have talked about so far. Okay, I'm going to show you Okay, I'm going to show you a little, okay, that we have studied so far. Okay, just go through it. Okay, if you are if you miss something, if you're having some kind of problems, that I told you that there are 48 countries in Asia. Okay, highest mountain is Mount Everest and second highest mountain is Mount K2. Both are found in Asia. Then we talked about that, in which country uh, do we find the most richest intelligent people in the world. Okay, we talked about the country which has the most intelligent people in the world, and it was, yes, Aman. Where do we find the most intelligent people in the world?
Miss, it's Japan, Hong Kong, Korea, Singapore,
Exactly. Japan,
Malaysia,
Hong Kong, Korea,
China,
basically,
Pakistan.
exactly. Basically, we found the most intelligent people in Asia. Okay. If someone asks you that which is the most popular continent in the world, what you're going to tell me? Let's start with Zainab.
Most
Yes, Zainab.
popular.
Zainab, will you tell me what is the most popular continent in the world? Okay. Zainab,
Asia.
Asia. Okay, why Asia is the most popular continent? Because automatically many people live in Asia. Okay, so this was it for
Asia.
today's class. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you learned many different things. Okay, and we're going to have a conclusion. Help me with your attendance now. Okay, Nafis, first help you with your attendance.